Hurricane Matthew devastated Haiti on Tuesday after the Category 4 storm made landfall, killing at least 5 people. Matthew has been responsible for 11 deaths so far in the Caribbean area. More than 14,000 people have been displaced in Haiti and almost 2,000 homes flooded. There are 10,000 people in shelters and hospitals. And in Les Cayes, the roof of a hospital was actually blown off. From Haiti to Cuba, the destruction continued, although only a Category 3 storm. 24-foot waves, high winds, and torrential downpours were reported. This video of Cuba's easternmost city shows dozens of homes and buildings that have been destroyed. Hurricane Matthew is now strengthening again over the warm water north of Cuba, with the Bahamas and parts of Florida's Atlantic coast, the Georgia coast, and the coastal Carolinas potentially in line for a strong hurricane strike. As the storm intensifies, those in Florida are gearing up for evacuation. Shelves are bare in stores, cars are lining up for gas and other essentials. In South Carolina, the National Guard has been called in. Authorities say Matthew's eye may never make landfall, but its eye wall containing the hurricane's strongest winds may do so. This photo circulated online this week of the storm's eye. Hurricane Matthew became the 5th hurricane of the 2016 Atlantic hurricane season early last Thursday. For Castanet News, I'm Jen Zielinski in Kelowna.